Turn this off for a second.
Morning, Devin.
Raining, eh, Trav?
No, it's not doing so great out there.
Not awesome.
Should be done quick.
Sure hope so.
Here, and I think we'll be blocked by that little hill right here.
Yeah.
Or we could just walk down the lane, cut that way, get into the woods, jump over the top, and see like where those pines are.
Yeah, the big ones?
Yeah,
big pines?
Up there's
yeah.
the big ones. To the left, there's another set. That's like a point that sticks out, and I think they always kind of work that. And
yeah, I wouldn't go in. Yeah. Yeah, let's just not. Last thing I want to be doing is pushing go-go car out of the fucking mud.
Yeah, right.
Here we go. Alright. Travis is bag off walking across.
Gosh, I bring my chair.
Right. I don't know. It's ours a piece. I honestly think a guy could probably get up just to the edge there.
Maybe just get up in here.
Yep. And call him. Or if you have to go up, go up.
Oh, you're saying like literally just right up here?
Yeah, like walk up to the point of trees.
Yeah.
We can call once we get up there and see if we can get something to gobble. And then... Yeah, I'm going to.
So it's not like fucking crank.
Just got up here and had a bird gobble where we could see them from the road, so I think we're gonna get up here and set up and see what happens. Is hammering. I don't think he's too far away either. Like I think he's just over that lip down there. Holy shit, Trav, they're right here. Let me know if you see them. right, coming just up to the barbed wire right now. Coming up to the barbed wire right now. Don't move, you're good. Get him? Trav, wait. Oh, never mind. You're good. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. In the rain, of course. Never fails. Nice work, Trav. Good shooting. One dead, baby. Oh, I just stepped in that hole. Yeah, I bet you it was 35 yards, probably 30, 35. It was a pretty far shot. When you said you were going to shoot, I'm like, ooh. I'm like, might as well. Right. Nice bird. Real nice bird.
Definitely ate her pretty good.
Pretty good hooks. Really big beard. Jesus. My God. Yeah, for sure. Thing's huge. Hell yeah, dude.
Nice.
Dead bird. Shit, yeah. Good thing it's pouring.
Time for another one, huh?
Time for one more. Gotta go rally after him. So that's where I slept last night, and there's a turkey right there. Like, look halfway down in the grass, just on the edge of the longer grass. It's like right there-ish.
Yeah.
Turkey camp. Go-go cars. Hey Trav, runners. Absolutely runners. And we just figured out this bird's got a mega beard on him. Measured it, 12 inches.
It is 12?
Yeah. Pretty ugly looking bird when they're wet. One down, many to go. Trav's got another tag, I got a tag. Let's keep buying them until we're done. Welcome to Trav's kitchen. What do we got cooking today, Chef Trav?
I don't know, Devin.
Trav's beat up. So we marinated a little bit of that turkey from earlier in Italian dressing. Trav's got goose bacon. He's going to wrap the goose bacon around the Italian turkey. We're going to huck it on this here little Coleman grill. And we're going to devour. Oh, that looks scrumptious, Trav. It's like you know what you're doing.
Yeah. No boy.
How's this thing work? Well, you know what else works? A fucking light. Isn't there some stupid device in here that needs to work?
Push button thing or something that you can...
I need a push button thing.
Like a lighter.
Like a sparker? Lighter.
Yeah, use that then.
Yeah, I am, but it's not lighting. Oh yeah, Trav. So funny. We could walk over there.
They're not funny.
No. So we just got 2 birds right there. Damn rough. Like I said, we'll probably end up chasing these in the morning.
There's a road that comes out over here too.
Oh, I bet you they walked that up. We're just gonna walk over here and see if we can find a spot to sit for the morning before it gets too late here. I'll get him to gobble one more time. That one was further. I think they're over here more. Yeah, there's closer one. Holy fuck, they're close. That thing's fired up. And you turned and you like turned and ran back this way. I was laughing so hard. It's not a super huge bird, maybe a 10-inch beard. Of course, another soaking wet bird. Weird bird though, with that fan the way it is. Get moving. Yeah, oh yeah, it's not a very big bird at all. Its fan is just, tiny. The feathers are tiny.
Yeah, it is.
Like it lost all its feathers at one point and it's just re-going them back, but just odd.
Fucking bird.
Covered in briars too. Well, one down.
keep her moving here and on to the next one. So those birds actually, they're roosting probably, what do you think, Trav? 100 yards?
I'd say within 100, 150, something like
Probably
that.
within 150 yards. Trav says there's a field down on the bottom, and he thinks that's where that bird flew down to, and then they ended up coming back up. And there's actually a snowmobile trail over here that comes up out of the bottom, and I thought they were going to pop out close here in the corner, but they ended up, yeah, coming on that snowmobile trail. They got a little nervous, and they decided to pull the trigger. So it looked like the other one might have been hurting, maybe, when he was running down in the bottom of the hill here, but Trav took a walk down the whole edge of the field and couldn't find him. So, but we got one down. I'm gonna register this one, buy another tag, and we're gonna get after some more. So, see what happens.
I don't know, should we, like, get to down here, just call, just light, like
Yep, do a
super
light call, yep. No, I think so, to try to locate something so we can make a move on it, instead of going all the way back there and probably messing something up.
Yeah. There's a good chance they're going to be over.
Calls, grab my binos. Just after 6 now. Like I said, we're gonna rally back into this next spot and see if we can get some birds to gobble. There's birds here last night when we put them to bed, so should be all right. Shoot him again. Yeah, dude. You're gonna run out of shells. You're gonna run out of shells this weekend.
I was like, I'm shooting until he's
not running anymore?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Another one down. We needed that.
Dude, where did he come from? He must have been...
He was right. He skirted this edge.
There's a drop off. I didn't even notice that. I didn't realize that really drops.
Oh yeah.
There.
All of a sudden I'm like, oh
He
geez.
came right down that hole.
Right down the road.
When you said he's coming.
No. Literally right down the road. Hell yeah, Trav.
I'm freaking awesome.
Yeah, dude, that was sick. Sometimes all it takes is that little bit of moving. We needed that. Real nice bird. Real nice
That's
bird.
a big bird. Look at this.
Holy moly. Jesus. Big old rope on him.
That's an old bird. His spur's worn off.
Yeah. Oh yeah, lost her. That other one's big.
That one's pretty good.
Oh. Dude, that's a big bird, Trav. That's a
It is.
pretty bird too.
It is.
Gorgeous. Look at the colors on that thing. That is so pretty. Just freaking gorgeous. I was reaching for my gun. I was getting worried.
I wasn't worried.
You better not make me have to fire off.
He kept on walking. I'm like, all right, Devin, just call. Gets his head up.
Yeah, I was just like, give him a little yell.
That's
Yeah.
why I shot too. I don't know. It's about as perfect as they come, like
Literally.
30 yards. It
And
worked out
what a
perfect.
gorgeous bird too.
I think what it was is he's used to nobody being down in here.
Yep, this is his runway. I bet you he'll come up, strut this in the midday.
He
Yep.
wasn't even questioning anything.
Nope. Yeah, he came through confident.
If we would have been up there,
We'd
we'd
have been
have called him all day.
all day long. Yep. No, all it took. So basically, guys, we were up on this. There's a tree line basically that tucks around this corner here, right here, and there's a ATV trail that wraps around, and we're originally sitting up over there. The bird was over here on this ridge here, and we sat there, called. He didn't move, so we're like, okay, let's just make a move. We're gonna work at the top of this ridge down the four-wheeler trail, and we popped out, basically down here a little ways, probably 200 yards down that way, where the four-wheeler trail popped down, and we just snuck down this edge, and got right up here in the woods, and that bird came right down the road here.
Perfect funnel.
And yeah, like I said, I think it was his, this is his spot.
It's just his home.
Yep.
Like he's just been running this probably the whole year.
So
the
used to
whole
it.
Spring, and
Yep. Great
nobody's
bird.
been touching him.
Great bird. That one's going to suck to carry out, Trav. Good stuff. Alright, let's get this bad boy out of here. We got another bird to kill yet. Rockin' and rockin'. Hell yeah. Oh God. Crockin' and rockin'.
Oh, yes. We all know this point in the day. We just had a killer morning. There was birds gobbling everywhere. We shot one right at first light. We shot one at 10 o'clock. Just birds gobbling all morning, and then the horrific wind rolls in. I mean, we had nasty warm temps roll in. We had wind roll in. The birds shut up. There was no birds in the fields. All help was lost. And we didn't think we were going to find birds the rest of the day. As you can see out in front of us, there's a big field. We decided to kind of work our way along that, calling here and there. And yeah, we must have just worked into it to a group of birds that was close enough to hear the calls, and with a couple sharp clucks and yelps, those birds were on their way quick, and we dove off into the woods, got set up, and yeah, the rest was history.
There's three. First one is Jake. Oh God, there's a bunch of them. I got him.
Hell yes, dude. Yes! That is awesome! Yes!
Dude,
that is it.
4 birds. We're done, dude. We're fucking
Yes!
done, dude.
That is freaking awesome. And I seen the one, I'm like, the one like turned.
Dude, there's a lot of birds.
He was like over here. He like turned. I'm like,
Oh,
fuck.
no. Yeah.
And that's why I kind of said that. Then all of a sudden, look, I was just like, all right. I seen the 2 beards. Then that first one came through, and I seen it was a Jake. I was like,
Uh-oh, yeah.
that's why I told you they were both times.
Well, and that's what I was like, ooh. Hopefully they're... I was looking at, Yes, dude.
That is fucking awesome.
Oh my God, yes. Thank God. That is freaking awesome. And that is why we turkey hunt.
That is freaking sweet.
Oh my God,
Freaking
yes.
tasted him. Dude, right down the freaking line.
Yeah, literally.
Remember
I'm
how we
surprised.
were like, oh, he's not going to just come right.
Yeah, he won't come right down the edge. There's no way.
But how many people have actually came back in here? You know?
Right, exactly. That too. Plays a huge factor.
I think this is a long beard too.
Yeah, this was a big bird. There he be. Just pasting him.
Yeah, you got folded.
Yes, dude. I shot through a lot of shit too.
I know.
Yes. Hell yeah, dude.
What was that, like probably 12 yards?
Yeah, it wasn't far. Maybe 15.
Right down. Gosh, how'd you go? It was over in here.
Yeah, he flopped back to this hole.
Right down through that hole.
Oh man, that is a great feeling. I have all of those dead.
Those potentially could have been shot with a bow.
Those ones could have.
But yeah, because I think they had their guard down big time.
Dude, when
But from the times you called like 2 or 3 times to them, they heard every single one.
Oh,
I
yeah.
guarantee.
Well, that one, I mean, I was really giving her on the call there, and I'm like, God, they gotta be able to hear that. And then the wind's picking up and getting crazy. I'm like, oh yeah, freaking right, dude. Tell Alex to come.
He's coming.
Oh, good.
Gosh, look at that. Like literally, do this for how many years? Only take the bows.
Right, no shit.
1 year with the
Crazy.
guns, and we could have had 2 of them there.
Oh, what a gorgeous bird. Big old rope. Not huge spurs on him, though. Not huge.
Fuck, we could golf 9.
Yeah, no kidding. What a beautiful bird. Oh, what a gorgeous bird. 4 tags, 4 dead turkeys. 5th week of Wisconsin. You really can't beat it. God, what a pretty bird. Alright, Trav, now it's time for you to be a photographer.